Hello guys, today we are going hunting. We are just going to explore. Okay, I almost burnt myself. So guys, this is what we're supposed to do. It's very foggy, it's very scary right here. But there's a house nearby and it's currently haunted. So let's go to it. Oh, so it's basically right here. Wait. Okay. Oh my god. Oh jeez. Run. Oh no. The basement. Oh jeez. What are those bodies? Let's not check that out. Oh Holland. Oh jeez. Why is there so many bodies here that are hanging up? Okay. Yeah, there's bodies hanging up here. Yeah, it's making me sick. Oh my god. Oh. Oh. Cannot go there. I think it saw me. Hey, hello? Is that the one I encountered? Oh, come on. Where's my tent? Where's my tent? No. Okay, there's my tent. Never going back there. Oh my god. What did I just saw? What did I just see? I gotta go back to this. Oh my god. What did I just see? What did I just see? Okay, the fire is red and white. So that means it's super paranormal right now. So many paranormal activities and everything. Okay, let's go out to the entrance. Not there. I think it already saw me. We are. Oh my god, that demon summoner. Let's go here. Oh jeez. Okay, there's some windows. Wait, I see something. Wait, I feel something. Oh no. I'm trapped. I'm really cooked. Oh no. Why are you back? For revenge. I am back for revenge. No. But here I go. Wait. No. Oh no.